Welcome back. Something very special. We are trying to introduce Trishul Chivad or Trishul movement today.
We can say Trishul Kriya.
It is called as Trishul Kriya because see, Kriya is a big word for us because Kriya would mean like internal actions, and it is like a high yogi level thing in which they have other things like mantras also with other sadhana they keep doing. People do like more like a meditation in movement kind of thing. In southern India, olden times, martial arts and spirituality and many other things were almost the same things. So for us, if not Trishula Kriya, at least we can look at the Trishula diagram as a movement or as a drill. We are going to use this diagram of moving in actually 3 different directions and then 2 directions in the back also. So for us, we can take this as a drill or a exercise.
Yeah. Treat it as a drill.
सो सिंपल और कुछ इसका फायदा क्या है और इसको करने का आइडिया क्या है, मतलब जो चीज हम अपने टेक्निक्स राइट साइड से प्रैक्टिस करते हैं उसको लेफ्ट से भी करते हैं और कभी कभी राइट और लेफ्ट के साथ साथ डिफरेंट डायरेक्शंस में भी करते हैं. इन ऑर्डर टू मास्टर आवर टेक्निक्स एंड मूवमेंट्स वी ट्राई विद ऑल राइट साइड एंड लेफ्ट साइड एंड दिस डायरेक्शन एंड दैट डायरेक्शन एंड समटाइम्स वी हैव डिफाइंड मूवमेंट्स एंड पैटर्न्स लाइक वी विल मूव लाइक 3 डायरेक्शन, punch here and punch here. This is what is the use of this? We are practicing punching from both hands and in all directions. That's all, as simple as that. And we will use this pattern to move in a Trishula movement with different techniques. What is the use? It will make our techniques better with right and left and in different directions together.
You're right.
So let us choose any one technique. For now we are choosing in a high guard position, the elbow strike, the straight elbow that hits maybe the rib cage or to the sides or the throat or the chin. Right, this technique very simple, good for self defense. Keep your hands up and hit. This thing,
it's a part of Ashwamukha Prayoga.
Yes, in Kalari poetry it is called as Ashwamukha Prayoga. We have also done videos on that. Please check it out. The playlist of Kalari poetry on our channel is available. Many videos, similar diagram movements and drills are available. So that simple elbow strike movement we can practice over here. So the movement is nothing but we move from right and then left and left towards right, right towards left, and then we turn back and now here and then we turn back and stand in style. And for a better understanding, let us try more like a first person experience you can understand. So basically we are just starting with the right like this and then left. And then we come back and we go towards the left, actually the right side with the left leg. So it ends up somewhat like this. And then you pull back and then do the opposite thing. That same thing, right towards left. And then we pull back and we kind of go here. It is on this line. That means I was here, right to left, pull back, left forward, pull back, right forward. And then we kind of 1 and 2 and shift. And usually when we practice like this, we'll be doing something with the hands, maybe punch or block, or we'll be having some kind of a weapon, and that's how we move with the weapon. So this simple block and elbow strike, we are going to match it with this movement. Let us try. Right forward, 1, 2, and then left, 1, 2, and towards right with left leg forward, and towards left with right leg forward, and then back and over here. So nothing but practicing block and hit all directions, left and right.
Most important is when you strike with the important in this shoulder is strike with the step, right? Strike with the step. That is the most important one. It is not like you step ahead and hide. No.
It is not step first and then hit. It is like together with the step.
Yeah. It should happen all in same time, right? It's not like this and hit it. Not like this. It will give impact. Okay. That is sure. But it is pure impact.
Okay, body weight is going like that.
Yeah.
Same thing we can practice with your kicks or with your weapons also. For example, a knee kick along with the elbow and a kind of a hook. So the same thing, like this is more of a horizontal elbow towards the throat and then back and then hit. So whatever martial art you're doing, maybe you can do taekwondo kicks with Trishul Echuvadu, no problem. Whatever you know, whatever you want to practice, this is just the way to practice in all directions. So here we have shown examples of doing it with spear, भाले के साथ कर सकते हैं, and we have shown an example of doing it with the
Palachan.
yes, with the palachan, and we have also shown an example of doing it with the elbow and the knee strike. So that's all for today. This is the Trishul Echuvadu and Trishul movement. You can find this in weapon style gallery. Not very easy to find.
It's a
right?
traditional one, like, tribal part of the things. Like
Okay.
Yeah, that is
Because in normal galleries we will find the same choreographed movements and we won't find these kind of things.
this kind of whichever the way you practice, you can include this diagram and go ahead with that, right?
If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. नहीं, मैं अपने आप को देखता रहता हूँ, इधर देखना होता है.